Airtable versus Smartsheet. Spreadsheets have evolved. If you're managing projects, tracking data, or collaborating with a team, you've probably come across Airtable and Smartsheet, two powerful tools that go way beyond traditional spreadsheets. But which one is the right for you? In this video, we'll compare Airtable versus Smartsheet in terms of features, pricing, ease of use, integrations, and more. By the end, you'll know exactly which tool suits your workflow best. Let's dive right in. Now, before we get over with our comparison right here, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, before we compare, let's quickly define what Airtable and Smartsheet actually are. Now, let's start with Airtable right here. It is a spreadsheet database hybrid that offers powerful database-like functionalities while keeping a familiar spreadsheet interface. It's great for collaboration, project management, and organizing data in a visual way. Meanwhile, Smartsheet is a work management and automation tool designed for teams that need structured project management, Gantt charts, and enterprise level collaboration. Both tools enhance traditional spreadsheets, but they cater to different needs. Let's explore further. And so, let's start with the ease of use because no one wants to waste their time figuring out complex software. Now, for Airtable, it is built with ease of mind in use. It has a sleek and modern interface that looks like a mix between Excel and a database. You can go ahead and create tables with a drag and drop functionality, use templates for project tracking, inventory, or CRM, customize views including grid, Kanban, calendar, and gallery. It's perfect for non-technical users and creative teams who want a more visual approach to organizing data. For Smartsheet, you are familiar with the structured worksheets right here. Now, Smartsheet feels closer to a traditional spreadsheet but with an added project management tools. It offers a familiar Excel-like interface with columns and rows, built-in project management tools like Gantt charts, dependencies, and resource tracking, a more structured approach to collaboration, ideal for teams handling complex workflows. Now for the verdict, if you simply want simplicity and flexibility, you want to go for Airtable. If you want structured project management, Spreadsheet is better. Moving forward, let's break down the features of both platforms and see how much control they differ. Now for Airtable, they are highly customizable. It allows users to create custom fields like link records across tables and set up database relationship. This makes it more dynamic than a traditional spreadsheet. Additionally, Airtable provides built-in automation tools, allowing users to set triggers and workflows without the need for coding. Now for Smartsheet, on the other hand, they focus on project management and structured workflows. It includes advanced tools like the Gantt chart, task dependencies, resource tracking, and automated approvals. These features make it particularly useful for teams handling complex projects with multiple stakeholders. Now, if your priority is flexibility and database-like customization, Airtable is the better fit. Meanwhile, if you need a robust project management tool with structured workflow automation, Smartsheet is the stronger choice. Moving forward, collaboration and integration are key for any team using these platforms. Both Airtable and Smartsheet offer real-time editing, commenting, and sharing features to enhance team collaboration. However, their approaches differ. Now, for Airtable, Airtable is built for quick collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on database simultaneously. It supports role-based permission, ensuring that team members can only access and edit relevant sections. Now, Smartsheet is designed for enterprise-level collaboration, offering team dashboard, detailed permission control, and workflow automation. It's better suited for organization managing large-scale projects with multiple departments. In terms of integration, both platforms connect with popular applications like the Google Drive, Slack, Zapier, and Microsoft Teams. However, Smartsheet offers deeper integration with enterprise level like software, Salesforce, and the Microsoft Outlook, making it a preferred choice for larger businesses. Now, if you need a simple and effective collaboration, Airtable is ideal. But if your organization require advanced collaboration with enterprise level integration, Smartsheet is the better option. Let's talk about pricing because budget matters. Airtable offers a free plan with basic features like limited records, making it a great choice for individuals and small teams. Its plus plan at $20 will go ahead and add more storage and customization options. Now with the Pro plan $45, they have additional or advanced automation and integrations. For a larger organization, Airtable provides an enterprise plan with custom pricing. You can just go ahead and contact the sales for Airtable in order to know your budget or price for the enterprise scale. Now, Smartsheet also offers a free plan but with more restrictions. Its Pro plan, priced at $9 per user and per month, includes basic automation and reporting feature. The business plan at $19 per user per month unlocks full project management tools. For enterprise level, Smartsheet also offers a custom priced plan with additional security and compliance features. Overall, Airtable free plan is more generous for small teams, while Smartsheet pricing offers better value for structured project management. And so, when working with large database, speed matters. So how do these tools perform? Airtable is fast and responsive for smaller database, but as the number of record grows, it can slow down due to its database-like structure. This can become an issue when dealing with thousands of records and multiple complex relationships. Now, for Smartsheet, they have optimized enterprise use, making it more efficient at handling large projects and expansive databases. It provides better performance for teams managing multiple tasks and dependencies. If you're dealing with smaller visually dynamic projects, Airtable performs well. But for large-scale enterprise projects, Smartsheet has the upper hand in terms of speed. Now moving forward, let's talk about security and compliance because I believe this is one of the most crucial aspects of our databases. Now, Airtable provides basic security features including password protection, two-factor authentication, and role-based permissions. While it is suitable for general use, it lacks enterprise-grade compliance. Smartsheet, on the other hand, offers robust security measures, including SOC2, GDPR, and HIPAA compliance. It also provides advanced role-based access control, making it a better choice for businesses handling extensive data. If security is high priority, especially for enterprises, Smartsheet is the safer option. And so, we reach the end of the video. We have to decide which one should you choose. Now, if you want an intuitive, highly customizable tool with database-like features, Airtable is the way to go. It's perfect for startups, marketing teams, and creative professionals who want flexibility to their workflow. However, if you need a structured project management system with advanced security, workflow automation, and enterprise-level feature, Smartsheet is the better choice. It's designed for businesses handling large projects and teams that require strict security measures. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs. Which tool do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification for more tech productivity content. See you on the next video.